welcome to Harmon Garage. I'm Aaron. Haven't posted a video here in a while. I've been super busy. I got a big announcement I'm going to be making here soon. We'll do that in a different video. But I've got an update video I'm working on for the 49 that I'll get coming pretty soon. But today we are leaving for Florida to go pick up a new asset I acquired. So I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. We'll update you every once in a while where we're at and what we're doing. And then when we get there, we'll show you what we got. So come along for the ride and have fun.
I'm pretty sure it's worth you'll change your life. Nothing will be lost if you dive so deep into my heart.
Alright, little trip update. We've gone about 650 miles. We're in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. And this is what we're driving. Kind of a roadkill-ish journey. It's a 74 C30. We just got a 454 we just put in 2 days ago. Reason we're bringing this truck threw the motor in so quick is because we need it. You'll see why when we get down where we're going in Florida. Just stopped to get some gas, checking the oil, and grab something to drink and hit the road again. So I'll keep updating you and tagging along and let you know how it's going. Well, I missed a couple stage signs. My navigator was sleeping. I didn't see him till we got to him. It was too late to film it. So we're doing pretty good. It's 5:30ish in the morning Florida time. We left Texas yesterday at 11 o'clock a.m. So we're had a couple little problems. Headlight shut off on me and smoke started coming out of the dash. Pulled over, shut the headlight switch off, looked around, didn't find nothing, turned the headlight switch back on. They started working again, so we kept going. And then a little later on, we stopped to get fuel and the truck wouldn't start again. The alternator's taking a crap. It's only charging about 11.5 volts. But we're running along, hoping we can make it at least until the parts store opens. So we're gonna keep going. Well, alternator finally let go. Stuck on our side of the road here, hoping we can get to ride to the parts store and get another one. We'll see what happens. yesterday afternoon and I was beat, and it was like 30 hours or 35 hours being awake, and I was just too tired to do anything. So got up today and I gotta flip the camera around. And this is what we came down here to get. 36-foot Wells Cargo enclosed trailer. And there's a reason I needed it. And that's gonna be a big announcement I'm gonna make here soon in another video. But I had to clean it out. We put tires on it. It's been sitting for probably 20-25 years, and we're cleaning it up a little bit. So I'll keep updating you. Spent the last 2 days working on the trailer. Got it all pressure washed, got all the lights working, got the brakes working, put safety chains on it, checked it over real good, and I just wasn't set up very good to film. So and I was on a time crunch, so we just got it done. We're back on the road. We've been traveling for about 8.5 hours today. We're almost out of Florida. So I'm gonna keep on going. I'll keep updating you guys along the trip and trying to get back home. Well, we made it home. Got her parked on the RV port here. Made it back yesterday. And after 4 days with no sleep and 6 days, I was beat. So we brought her home, parked her, and here she sits. Got a few projects we're gonna be doing to it. And like I said, I got a big announcement about why I even got it in the first place. So that'll be coming. Just a big old 36-foot enclosed trailer. Didn't have too many problems coming home. We had one tire blow out about 1,100 miles into our trip, which is to be expected on 30-year-old tires. We didn't even change them. These are the ones that were on it that have been sitting on for 30 years. So 3 of the 4 made it. I was kind of surprised. And 4th one didn't. Put us on the side of the road with 200 miles to go. So no big deal. I got it all pressure washed and cleaned up. That door, the hinges are rusted shut, so we're tinkering with that, trying to get it to open. But other than that, got it pressure washed, all the lights work. Hell, the trailer brakes even worked after sitting for 25-30 years. I was surprised by that too. So that's about it. Heck of a trip. It was a long one, but also a short one. So that's gonna do it for this video. Subscribe to the channel to see what else we're going to do with this trailer. We're going to do some upgrades to it, some repairs on it, and then some more cool stuff to it that it doesn't need. So hit the subscribe, hit the like, share, comment. Tell me what you like about my videos. Tell me what you hate about my videos. Hell, tell me if you hate me. Anything helps, so make it happen. And y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.